Hello buddies! Welcome to my channel Tiny Little Tales. Today let's learn some bird names. This is a parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. This is an eagle, E-R-G-L-E, eagle. This is a pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. This is a hen, H-E-N, hen. This is a crow, C-R-O-W, crow. This is a vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. This is an owl, O-W-L, owl. This is a swan, S-W-A-N, swan. This is a peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. This is an ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. This is a sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. This is a woodpecker, W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. This is a rooster, R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. This is a flamingo, F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. This is a duck, D-U-C-K, duck. This is a crane, C-R-A-N-E, crane. This is a toucan, T-O-U-C-A-N, toucan. This is a penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. This is a kiwi, K-I-Y, kiwi. This is a kingfisher, K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel for more content like this.